Hey everyone, welcome to Visionary Growth and happy Sunday. So today I'm going to be repotting my bird's nest fern because I believe I may have overwatered the nest, which is this thing in the middle here of the plant, and I may have rotted this plant out. So I'm going to try to save it and repot it. Because the soil is super wet right now. And when I did get this plant about a year and a half ago, I had it hanging from the ceiling in a south-facing window, and it did well. And what I usually used to do to water it is lift the leaves. I used to take it off the hanger, lift the leaves, and then just water the soil. Maybe a cup. And I would do that like every 3 weeks, and it was thriving. However, recently, rushing and being a bit lazy, I was watering by taking out, and I probably did it about 2 times. And usually, like I said, I would water every 3 weeks. This time, because I was going away, I just wanted to make sure my plants was watered. I watered it when I was leaving, and then 2 weeks later, I went ahead and watered it again, same way, pouring the water in the middle of the plant. So we're going to start repotting. And I'm going to put it in this pot. And the soil that I'm going to use is the soil that I mixed together. I get a bag of potting mix, and then I also mix it with the special orchid potting mix because it has the fir bark, it has charcoal, and it has perlite. So everything that, it needs is in here for the most part. And so I use this soil for all of my plants. This is way too much water. Look at that. Oh, I can't believe I did this. It's like a sponge. That's crazy. I don't know if I can do this. We'll see what happens. These roots are black. Look at the roots. Oh, I can't believe it. I'll keep you guys updated on how this plant is doing in a few weeks. I don't want to be negative, but I don't know if I'm going to be able to save this plant. All right, so this is what it's looking like repotted. Again, I'll share an update in a few weeks. Leave a comment if this video helped you or not. or if you have any tips for me. Thanks for watching. Until next time, visionaries.